This is part 3 for this floral box we made. So that was the box originally we made with the frame and the ribbon that goes through to tie it all together. Part 2 was how to create the book with the pages bind inside. And this is for just the little extras. How I use the backing cards for the envelope and the gift bags. For the envelope, on the instructions on the files there, it will say that there is a backing card and also an insert card to go inside. So the insert one I fold in half, and you can punch the corners. Not necessary, but looks nicer. And the backing card, I managed to fit in the full page, the full square that it goes on top. So we want to cover the kind of the showing parts that will show when we open, when the envelope is assembled. So I'm just going to apply a bit of glue. No, first of all, sorry, I'm going to fold the envelope. So I'm just folding the flaps around, including the top bit. I'm just going to apply a bit of glue on the edges. There's no need for a lot of glue. Ideally, the backing piece you would like on a thin paper. I've printed mine on a thick one, so it will be a bit thick when I'm folding it, but it's okay. I'm not going to stick it inside the book itself, so it's okay. Mix this a bit here. And I'm doing this again. I'm gonna flip this over and trim the axis. Gonna add a tiny bit more glue. So, and I'm folding these 3 parts. I'm going to apply a bit of glue. And now that we fold the envelope, you can see that it's double-sided. Nicer than just a blank envelope on the back, but and you can just age the edges of the envelope. So if there are any blank areas left, then it's not going to show. And this bit goes in and it's ready. And I'm going to fold this over. I'm pushing it in a bit because it's a thicker card. And I'm going to add a gem just in here, in the middle. Yes. Done. So the same thing you can do with a bigger envelope. So this bit goes here yeah, so it goes like this, and you just do the same, and this will go inside once it's all folded and stuck. And for the cash envelopes, I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna fold flaps. And on the file itself there was a writing paper, but I'm actually gonna trim it just to have a little piece here as well, but we don't need a big one because it's quite a narrow one. So I'm just gonna fold this over so I know roughly where I need to cut. So just around here. And then the rest of the pieces I'm going to keep because it's really pretty. I'm gonna use the ink pad again. There are different ways to age your paper, but this is the easiest and the quickest method for me. So a bit of glue here, a bit of glue there, and this one is done as well. And I will do just the same for the mini one, because this should fit in your book. So once again, I'm gonna fold tiny bit here, or you can just mark it with a pen and paper, but I'm just gonna do this quickly now. Too much. Okay. A bit of glue over the flaps and fold over, and this one I'm actually gonna keep open, but you can fold it as well. Now just tiny bit here, and that's done. So all together we had a book. I've stuck the butterflies on top. There is the mini book that goes inside. There is this cash bag. There is the larger one. There is the envelope. You should also have the larger one that you can fit in as well. There were all these extra mini butterflies. There were these luggage tags. I'm just gonna punch them in here and add a ribbon to it. And there were these tickets, which I'm using this one. There is a better one, I think, but to use to punch the corners, but I never found it in our local store, so I'm using this one instead. It's not perfect, but it's okay for what I need. And I'm gonna fold this over, age a bit with the ink pad, and that's done. And you can add all these extra tags that comes with it. There is a happy birthday, thank you, with love, and some other bits and pieces you can put inside. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, always just a message away. Thank you.